Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MEXC token. Now the MEXC token is doing insanely well today. It has a gigantic market cap, it has a huge 24-hour trading volume, and it was just announced that they are getting at least a very big central exchange listing. Now this is from a project called Moemate AI. That I did do a video on the Moemate token maybe a few weeks ago when it came out, based off an AI project. And that token, I believe, got listed on a bunch of different central exchanges as far as I remember. And then now they are coming out with this new token. This new token was just released 18 hours ago. That's when the pair was created on Raydium, 18 hours, 38 minutes ago. So yeah, we're going to go over the information on the MEXC token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Moemate is a highly customizable AI-driven virtual companion that enriches your life. Engage in lively conversations, receive valuable assistance in everyday tasks, and enjoy having fun and an intelligent sidekick to brighten your day. Embrace the future with Moemate. Customize to your heart's content with Moemate. Create, chat, and share your personalized AI characters with the world. Use premium large language models, image and selfie generation models for your characters. Customize with different voices, or even clone your own. So you can read more about this at docs.moemate.io. Now, I'm not going to go over all the info again on Moemate because I already did a video on Moemate and their original Mo token when that came out. And so now this is the second token. If you go over to their Telegram, which is at Nebula Moemate, right at the top of the Telegram there, it says Mates, and then it has the contract address for that token, and then it says Mo, and then it has the contract address for that token. So that's an easy spot to find both the contract addresses for both tokens, is at Nebula Moemate on Telegram. 1,818 members, 405 of them are online, and that is the Telegram community chat portal. And that's a great place to talk to other community members and token holders about the project. Now, according to their Solscan, this token is on the Solana blockchain. It says first mint January 8th. First mint January 8th. There is 2,413 holders right now. 6 decimal places on this token. Token price is almost a penny. Right now it's 0.0098 USD. Their market cap right now, $122,619. So huge project. They have a current token supply of 19,499,999,913 tokens. And on their Solscan, you could also find links to Bubble Maps, Bird Eye, Dex Screener, Gecko Terminal, CoinGecko, Dex Tools, RugCheck, and Photon. So basically all the links you could possibly need are going to be on that Solscan, and we'll check the RugCheck in a second here. Their webpage is moemate.io. Over there you could find their application if you want to actually use it. There's Get Started button, a memo button, Discord documentation, all sorts of links. It says Playground for the community to build, own, and share generative AI applications and AI agents powering collective intelligence. So this token here, the new MEXC token, it says world premiere listing. The MEXC token will be listed on Lbank. Moemate is the ecosystem for building, incubating, hosting, operating, and trading artificial intelligence agents. It says visit the official webpage for more information, and this token just got listed on Lbank today, January 15th at 7 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Lbank. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Lbank account, you could easily download Lbank from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or you could open an account on your PC. You would then fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search MEXC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So besides that, there's a bunch of other big tokens being listed on Lbank either yesterday or today, like the Arnold token. I'll be doing a video on Arnold today. The dev.fun announcement channel token, and then this token as well. So yeah, some big tokens being listed on Lbank. Now I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen right here. You can see right there, it actually has both contract addresses as well. So at Moemate AI, blue verified checkmark, 3,112 tweets, 113,400 Twitter followers, has a full link tree right there that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. But both contract addresses are right there. So basically, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, and maybe Lbank is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you could also get this token off of Raydium. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or you could get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So once you funded your wallet with Sol, you would go into the dApps and you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address that you could find on their Telegram or on their Twitter right there, or on their SolScan, BirdEye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener chart, you trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. So the rug check here says risk analysis is good. The top holder is actually a Jupiter locker, and then that has 15.9% of the tokens. But there is a wallet here that has 13.7% of the tokens, and then there's 3 more Jupiter lockers underneath that. So there's some big Jupiter lockers. I mean, this is a huge project here. They have like $192 million market cap. But go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.